In this video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-open ng account sa COL Financial.
Okay, to open an account, you have to go to signup.colfinancial.com. Okay, and then dyan makikita mo yung mga requirements and kung ano yung mga dapat mong i-ready before you open an account. So first, you have to ready your valid ID, valid government ID, and then you can ready your device with camera, cell phone or laptop, blank sheet of paper with 3 signature specimen na merong ID sa taas. Dapat magkaparehas yung signature mo sa ID mo at dun sa paper. Okay? And then, Philippine bank account details. You should have this information kasi ipi-fill out mo yan mamaya sa form, and yan din yung gagamitin nila kapag magwi-withdraw ka na. So it has to be correct. And then you have to ready your SSS, GSIS, CRN number and tax identification number. Very important. Yan yung nakukuha sa BIR. So yes, have that ready. And if you're a minor below 18 years old, you must have birth certificate. So that's it. If it's good na, let's get started and let's go to the next page. Here is the online securities trading agreement form. Na just go down hanggang sa dulo and click agree. And then here you'll be prompt to the identification page. Here you have to put your correct name and correct email address and correct phone number kasi yung email address and phone number i-verify nila yan. So magsisend sila ng verification email and magsisend rin sila ng code sa phone number mo. So dapat talaga correct. And then you will also have to go to verification part, and then after that you will have to go to fill out the form with the information na ni-ready mo kanina, like yung ID mo, yung bank account details mo, yung selfie mo, yan. So kapag na-fill out mo na yung form, after nyan may pa-interview pa yan. Yung ano lang din, multiple choice. Kailangan mo lang sagutan. So after nun, kapag goods na, you will have the email na isasend nila sa'yo. But here, I will show you first yung itsura ng verification email. So ganyan yung verification email nila. So just click verify email para ma-make sure nila na tama yung email address mo. Here is another email that you will receive. So ito naman, after mo na ma-fill out yung form, matapos yung interview, dito na yon, yung COL user ID mo. And then sasabihan ka na nila na you have to fund your account. So mag-fund ka na ng account. You can fund it through GCash, online banking, or over the counter. And the minimum amount is 1,000. So kung i-invest ka sa stock market, kailangan mo talagang maglagay ng pera. Kasi yung pera na yun, yun yung ipambibili mo ng stocks. I will show you kung paano mag-fund ng account using your GCash. Okay. When you open it, you will want to go to Bill, Payment Solutions, and then look for COL Financial. There you have it. Just click that and then just put your 8 digits account number, yung binigay nila sa email mo, and yung account name mo, yung pangalan mo, and then yung email address mo na nilagay mo rin doon sa yung email address mo. And then just put the amount. So 1,000 ang minimum, may 20 pesos na charge. So click next and then confirm. So yan, congratulations, na-fund mo na yung account mo. Now, after nyan, kung successful yung pagkaka-fund mo, just wait for another email. So, this is the third email, and this email, this must have your account number and your password already. So, here's your temporary password. So, sasabihan ka nila na, okay, i-click mo tong link na to, and mag-login ka na sa account mo using your temporary password. Again, temporary lang yan. Ibig sabihin, pagka-login mo niyan, kailangan mo agad palitan yung password mo ng password na nasa puso mo. Yung password na strong, yung may letter at saka may number para hindi madaling ma-hack. So, after mo mag-login, makikita mo yung home tab. Yan, just click the home tab dito sa pinaka left side, and then go to change profile. Ayan, change profile, and then below you can see password. Just click edit, and then you can edit your password na yung correct password na gusto mong gamitin, and then you log out, and then you enter your new password.
Ayan, so for the pag-buy and pag-sell ng stocks, for the paggamit ng website ng COL Financial, and pag-withdraw, click the link in the description below.